Ever since we drove that BMW 128 in Grid Life Road America, my boy Kian has been looking at BMWs differently. So when he gave me a call to drive 4 hours to pick one up, I definitely said, hell yeah! So we're going there now. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. If you're new here, I'm a Major Fari. This is Amiradin. That's Kian right there. He's the corporate of this whole 3-4 hour drive. How are you feeling back there? Also, you look different.
No, I don't, not at all.
No, I don't. You know how long I've been waiting for this? Alright, we just got coffee and now we got another 3 hours to go. We came an hour, we go another 3 hours. It's gonna be fun. Also, look at that sunrise back there, guys. Maryland now is flexing on the nation. And we got 29 more minutes. The anticipation is real. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let me actually light you up a little better. There you go. How excited are you? How much stress do you have? Tell us, give us the beans.
Stress was that the owner have not got the title yet, and it was supposed to be shipped this week. So I was just hoping to get there before we do. And on Thursday he gave me the thumbs up, so we were good. And then from there it was just a waiting game.
Just a waiting game, huh?
Waiting game, yeah.
And are you happy that he's getting a BMW just like you?
Yeah, BMW, we're gonna extend more.
And in the past 3.5 hours, 3 hours, these two gentlemen have been trying to get me to buy a Beamer as well. Giving me options, a 340, 240, 235, all of the good options. I do want a faster car. This is fun, this is good road trip car, but a faster car is imminent. How did that came to my mind? Maybe the second cup of coffee was the reason.
A few moments later.
Finally arrived. I thought it's a dealer, but it's a private seller, which is a private dealer. Doesn't make sense, but gonna go, and the car is in front of me. Gonna look at it. I'm gonna ask for permission first, but then show you guys. Kian,
What's up? No, that's not the car. This is the car. Buying another
shut
one.
that. Bro, this interior looks gorgeous. And then, of course, a manual. Yeah. Officially, huh?
Yes, sir.
Officially.
I'm a Beamer boy.
Let me see the key.
Officially Beamer boy.
Sheesh. He is bad. How do you call it? Influence.
Hey, it wasn't him though, okay?
Yeah,
it's the car we
definitely.
drove, okay?
That is true. The car we drove 2 weeks ago. We're gonna go get his notary and get the plates for it so we can drive back to the beautiful state of Virginia.
Unfortunately, it didn't go through. No, I'm just joking. Wait,
Come
wait,
on,
I
bro.
can do this now.
What can you do?
Knock on wood.
Oh yeah, you do have wood in there.
I also
Congrats,
have
brother.
AC. Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.
You have AC, you have heated steering wheel, heated seat, and
I have more
sunroof.
options than this guy.
Yeah, I don't have a heated steering wheel.
It's okay.
My car is full loaded, but I don't have heated steering
Game
wheel.
sport problems. Congrats again. We're gonna get pizza, right? Because
Thank
I'm
you
hungry.
You guys for coming.
Of course.
Taking me a ride.
Anytime come for the boys, bro. We got it. Right? You
Yeah.
come for the boys.
I will come for you guys. No, let's skip that. Okay.
What's happening? Wow. Love over fear. Okay?
Seek discount.
What's happening?
He brought the check engine light for me, I swear. He's gonna come out with the check engine light ornament.
It's like when you brake check engine light comes up.
Oh, Beamer boys.
Oh, you have a key too.
Hey,
Damn.
We make financial.
Oh wait. Wait. Yeah, you don't.
Whoa, reliable and unreliable in one picture.
That's not true. This is reliable, unreliable, reliable.
True.
Kinda
I'm sorry.
reliable.
Currently following Kian, and we are on our way home. 3 hours and 57 minutes, which is not that bad. But at the same time, it's 3 hours and 57 minutes. I can't wait to drive this car. I'm gonna probably do it as soon as we get back. I'm gonna let him enjoy it for now. And the pizza was so delicious. Also, Pittsburgh is absolutely beautiful. The weather is pretty nice. And the scenery of the downtown and everything, we didn't actually go down the downtown, but passed kind of by it. It looked beautiful. All the bridges and everything, just, I see myself in a place like this. This is what I mean about this place as being beautiful. Look at this bridge. Wow. Everything looks beautiful. Beautiful. Well, 2 hours later, and first up, how was the past 2 hours, man?
Comfortable actually.
Yeah, you've been swerving, bro. I think you're trying to like use everything there.
I
yeah,
like messing
yeah.
up,
everything-
so.
It's like wiggy diggy. But trying to keep up because that's a good fast car.
Good fast.
We have experience. Wisconsin Grid Life, we tried it. I haven't watched that video yet. That's gonna pop up in the banner or link in the description. Need some water, need some gas. Gonna do that and then change this lens to something better so I can take some videos of this guy while driving. We have arrived safe and sound to home.
Hey, what's up? Everything went super well.
I didn't even have to ask you, just tell me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Caught two. Everything went well. Great. Highly suggested. To
Highly
everyone.
suggested. I see some.
No, you don't see anything. No, not at all.
Did it BMW eat for you?
No, I think one of the ABS sensor gave that on our way here. So
Okay.
it has some lights, no check engine light.
Actually, you know what? If it's that, then we are ABS
We're
sensor
all
buddies.
matching right now.
Hell yeah, all of us ABS sensors. So
It's
fun,
all good.
right?
was
Rides
just-
pretty good, drives pretty good, everything's pretty good.
It was too comfortable, man.
Yeah? Too comfortable? You were sleeping?
No, I wasn't sleeping.
So we have Amirali checking stuff out. I don't know what he's doing, but he's doing it.
Bluetooth.
First drive around the block.
Just watch out for the
man.
brakes, no ABS and stuff.
It's okay. She's totally fine. Bro, it sounds pretty good for stock.
It does, it does.
It sounds really good for stock.
The grasp is pretty good.
The grass is greener.
Seatbelts.
Seatbelt.
My seatbelts.
Can I put it on?
It looks good on you, bro.
Does it? So I have to get a Beamer too, you think?
Hey, it's your choice.
It's my choice. It's
Yeah.
my way or highway. It does pop a little.
Those pump, yeah. With the exhaust, it will just wake up.
I know.
It will woke the car up.
It sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Have you gone on it yet?
A little bit when we got it to just test it out.
Oh.
After that, I was just on 5th, 6th, 4th. That's it.
No, this is really smooth, bro. I'm just really happy for you.
Yeah, mechanically, it is on a really good state.
Knock on the wood.
On the wood, we got wood.
In terms of wood, we got wood. I don't know, I kind of like this shifter too.
Yeah, it's good.
No, it's perfect. It's really good, man. Thank you for letting me drive, bro.
Hey, thank you. Thank
Hopefully
you
we
for
go,
coming.
of course.
Me,
We're gonna go for more drives, more road trips, more everything.
For sure.
And
Just gotta
this
do
is
some
just the
maintenance.
beginning.
For sure. For sure.
Always the first thing.
Yeah.
Oil change, probably.
Oil change, the EBS sensor, EBS
EBS sensor.
sensor. Probably would need some tires.
Okay.
Just something like all season, so I can like just keep it for winter use and stuff.
And some wheels. This doesn't make sense too, right? I'm just kidding.
Well, that comes later. That's next.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. It was fun day with you too. Thank you guys for including me and trusting the GX for being the, how do you call it, transporter. Thank you
Thank you.
for helping. Congratulations on the car.
Thank you for taking
We
me.
can't wait
Thank
to
you for
see
coming.
this. What is it? Thank you for coming. Thank
Thanks
you for coming.
taking
Thank you
me.
for coming.
Thank you for coming, you know.
But what I was gonna say, can't wait to take more videos with this. I can't wait to
And,
see your videos of this
Yes, sir.
on your channel.
Full build coming soon.
Full build, yeah,
build.
full bolt-on, wheels, everything.
Suspension.
I'll see you guys soon.
Again.
I'll see you
See
soon,
you.
brother. And with that, this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also follow Amir Ali and Kian on Instagram. Links in the description. And with that all out of the way, as always stay amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Would you look at this? Thank you, Kian.
You got it. Hey.
You ready?
Hey.
Yeah.
Shampoo.
Tell me a Persian without telling me a Persian.
Right here.
There you go.